Hi people, happy new year. Been a minute. How was the previous year? How was 2024? The question goes, what are you grateful for the previous year? I'm sure we have so many reasons to be grateful for the previous year. And even though 2024 had its own ups and downs, but yeah, we're still grateful. We're so grateful for this new year. So I said I should come and greet you people, that I have good character before the year gets so busy. Happy New Year. Have a fruitful year. Yeah. So yes, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, you are so welcome. To my esteemed subscribers, old and new, you guys are the best. Thank you for your support thus far, and this year we're going to do great things. So I wanted to talk about something that I've noticed over the year, and that is people start off the year with so much excitement and energy. They are passionate about the year. They have written their new year resolutions and all of that. And 3 months down the year, the energy, nosedives. Everything just goes crashing down. And some people have lost purpose of the year or how they intended to, do all of the good stuff that they have written down. So for me, I have strategically written down my goals and split them into the quarters of the year. And I'll be taking each step at a time every day, getting closer to my goal. So how do you intend to conquer your 2025? How do you intend to carry that energy throughout the year? Yes, that's my question for you, and I'll be expecting your answers in the comment section. Meanwhile, I had some escapades last year that I didn't get to share, and I'll be sharing them this year. Very soon you'll be seeing trailer of these escapades I'm talking about. Yes, and this means that this channel will be expanding. I had so many things I wanted to share last year, but I couldn't because I was boxed with DIY, trying to make it fit into it. So we're expanding. Now we have Dera Special. That's our channel name. It embodies DIY contents, of course, skincare, soap making, and more DIY contents. And some of you don't know, and that's why I want to tell you. I am a fashion enthusiast. I am a fashion creative, an illustrator and designer, and I feel like I should infuse this thing into my content space where I find you also, and I'm sure you will love the content that you'll be seeing very soon. So this channel will be embodying our DIY content, family, beauty, faith, lifestyle talks, more of my face this year. So I'll try as much as possible not to leave so much details out and carry us along. I'm sure we have goals to crush. Yeah. I would also like for you to share your strategies, process in hitting your targets for this new year. I'm sure somebody will be needing it.